Hey guys, so I'm here today with the Infinity Pro Conair Professional Series Hair Dryer. Look at that beauty. So we got I don't even know what color it is. It's like a cream color. Look how pretty it is. So it has the cold button here, and then it has your settings of hot, warm, cool, and then high, low, and off. So let's plug this in real quick. So then we got low. Okay, yeah. We got cold, cool, warm. Wrong one. We got warm, and we got hot. Definitely hot. I like that there's different settings for the temperatures, not just cold and hot. So I like that it comes with that. Let me unplug this before I turn it on accidentally again. Now this guy comes with different attachments. So it has the diffuser attachment for curls and waves. And these guys just pop on. There we go. So for curls and waves. Then we got the concentrator for smooth and straight styles. It's just flat, flat. Then we got the thermal pick, which detangles, volumes, and lifts. So it looks like a pick. So you just, I guess, I might have to steal this one from my kids and give my kids the other one. And then it also comes with a thermal concentrator, which is for sleek and shiny hairs. And it has an aluminum alloy for superior heat transfer to help achieve smooth and silky styles. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So depending on what kind of a style you want to go with, it has all different kinds of attachments. And then the back of it, the filter does come out. Probably won't be able to get my nails under there and pop it out. But it does come out so you can clean it out and get rid of all the gunk and stuff and the fuzz that collects under there. So this is definitely a great option if you want to do different things with your hair, volumize, give it curls, give it sleek hair, so many different attachments. And this thing is pretty cute. So go check it out, grab one. I'm sure they have at least 2 or 3 colors.